Hi guys, I hope all of you are good today. Well, I'm just a little bit confused today, guys. Because why? I just need you guys to help me. This morning I almost woke up. I went to TikTok. Then I see on top of my profile, they're standing by me. First warning. As you guys can see here, first warning. I'm like, hey, what the heck? What's going on? Why would it show that? Then I clicked on it. To check what it must now is. I clicked on it. It brought me to this first warning. I'm like, what the heck? First warning? Which video is this then that I made? Because what I must know, I never swear or do things that you shouldn't really do on TikTok. You know what I mean? I then went to the next page. It gave me remove video. See ya. Then it showed me that they have actually removed my video. Then when I went next, it told me like this. What it means. And guess what? So they gave me a warning for harassment and bullying. Harassment and bullying. Really? Since when do I harass and bully? And then thus, what can I do to solve it like, no? So, I submitted this appeal, and luckily that the appeal went through and the video was back on, but so I deleted it for good. But you guys actually know what video it is. Every one of you must know it's the video of me that went to go look for work. I took you with me on that day where I went to go look for work. And that video to me, the things that I said in there, I don't see anything that I was doing wrong there. And in each and every shop that I went that day, the videos that I took where I gave my CV, that those managers and people, I've asked them if I can make a video of them. So I never violated something. I never took videos of them while they, not knowing they are knowing. I did ask them. And they were actually happy to be part of that video. And to me, that was actually something very beautiful. Because it's also inspiring to a lot of people who don't have work. You know what I mean? So can you guys maybe help me and find out why TikTok really did this to me? Because I really can't understand. Because why your people is swearing maase die kaal gaat videos and stuff like that, man. Hulle wil vir my nou honingskoggie. Vir ek wat nou werk soek. Me that want to inspire other people. And I don't think it's right. What do you guys think? And you guys, though, you know what I was thinking, no? You get people that hate and people that's jealous. People that doesn't even know you. They only see you on social platform. They don't even know you, no? So I was thinking it could be people, no? That later complain or reported the video or something like that, man. You know, people can be very onnodig en hartseer. So I thought maybe that could also be a possibility. But I mean, come on, TikTok, why are you doing this to me? But okay, at least my account is fixed now. See y'all. Daar staan nie meer first warning nie. Ek het nog niks warning see. And apparently, they told me if I didn't appeal now, this one, no? And I did, and they gave me another something like that for the second time, and then the third time, then they would have banned my account. Ayana nie TikTok. But anyway, my account is back the way it was now. En so, maar ek verstaan regtig. Ek sê vir julle vir my wat het ek verkeerd daar gedoen?